Hi, so in this video, I'm going to talk about how you can transfer your files from your Windows PC to your Mac, to your iPad, to your iOS, iPhone. This would be a little bit different than what you usually do in Windows, but let's just figure it out. Okay, so first option is that you can download iTunes application. So download it through your website. So this is iTunes applications. Or just click support at the apple.com or iTunes, or just search here like iTunes download for Windows 11, and you will get the first website and just download it. Now, if you don't want to download through this store or through outside, just go to Microsoft Store and download it through. It's easily available. Now you have downloaded this iTunes applications. um, Remember, you won't be able to transfer files more than 1 GB through iTunes applications. So if you have more than 1 GB file and you want to transfer it, it's best option just go to share options, share drop.io, and then you can share this. It's an easiest way to transfer large files. Otherwise you can use Telegram applications, but you need yeah, of course you need internet for that. And if you other if you're trying other options, just go with the Google Drive if you have large files. um, then there are other options like you can go with internet, but if I'm going with without internet, then for without internet, just use iTunes. Now, after opening this iTunes, first of all, you first work you to do, just go with the account tab and sign in here. So might be you're getting an options of sign in. Just click here and sign in with your that email ID and passwords, which is inside in your device. To whom you're going to transfer, right? If you're transferring to it to iPhone, you have this ID and password in your iPhone, right? Just log in that same ID and password here, right? Now, the second thing you have to do is go to the filed options, and you have to turn on this home sharing options. You might be getting here to turn on this application, this options. Just turn on these things. Now, you have like I'm imagining that you want to transfer movies here, right? Just click on the file options, click on add file to library, and I have this option, right? This age 25 or not on to Instagram options. Just click on open, and now you have to click this uh, small mobile options. Now remember, if you're transferring this file to your iPad or iPhone, you need to have Apple TV applications installed in both the devices. Okay, so if you're using iPad, if you're transferring it to your iPad, I, Apple TV application is must needed. Also, in your iPhone, you have to install this software or application. Now, you have this option of movies. Just click here the movies options, and you can see there are so many like I have imported a lot of files before. That's why you can see these options. I will show you the new file, how you can import a new file here. Just click on add file to library, and you can see this is a new file, ultimate. Okay, just Jack King China episode. Okay, okay. And now you can see Zack King China episode is inside my this library. So what will happen usually now, you will import files to here like in this iTunes, this library, or what we can say. And so you will be able to transfer that um, file less than 1 GB to your library, which is inside your Apple iTunes store. And then you will be able to transfer this to your Apple TV application. So this will only be transferred to your Apple TV, um, uh, that application. So you won't be able to delete it to there. So if you're using, so just imagine that you are transferring files from your iTunes store, iTunes this thing, to your iPhone, right? So you won't be able to you'll be able to watch that particular file. You'll be able to access it through your iPad, sorry, through your Apple TV website, sorry, application, but you won't be able to delete it through there. So how you can delete it, how you can transfer it, I will show you both of them. So okay, this file is imported here. Now just right click this, and just apply this. It's done. That's it. Just you have to import this here and right click it and it will be done. You can see this is almost done. It's done, right? Now if you want to delete it through your iPhone or iPad, just right click it and apply. It's deleted, right? If you want, like, this, everything will be here. So if you want to, like, this all files are inside my iPad. If I want to delete this, just right click and apply. It's done. If I want to import this or want to transfer this, just right click and apply. It's done. That's how it looks easy. Might be that will be on you how you dealing with it.